Hi friends, this video shows how to replace the battery of Boya BYM1 microphone. We can open this part of the microphone. Just rotate this side, this to right side. Just rotate it to right side. Okay, so this way we can remove it. And here we can see the battery. We can just remove the battery, just pull this plastic. If it's not coming out, we can use some tool and take this battery outside like this. So this is a battery. So I am going to insert new battery. So when you insert new battery, we have to insert like this. This positive side of the battery should come to the top. So let me insert it. First we need to put this plastic like this. Then battery we can insert like this. Okay. Then we can close it. So let me close. Okay, done. So this way we can replace the battery. So please try this.